everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you side dish that is restaurant style potato curry for dosa, or even I like to have even with the moong dosa or pesarattu. So you can eat with anything, but basically it is for dosa. So this is my chena leaves. So I already cut some of them tips so that it grows again, and I'm growing them in the water. And I even have some fenugreeks. The bottom ones, they're fenugreek.
Do you know what to do when unexpected guest is at home and you need to feed? Okay, then take any curry you have, just make it gravy curry by adding hot water to it and besan and with warm water and make a paste and add. And this is best solution during party time to cook for more people with less veggie.
Ingredients: I've taken 1 spoon salt and 1 spoon red chili powder and half spoon mustard seeds and cumin seeds and pinch of turmeric. So these are the basic ingredients we need for every curry. The special ingredients for this curry specifically is this one: ginger, garlic and green chili and red onion or any onion, all together 2 spoons. Just I crushed it. You can even grind it or blend it. Just this 2 spoons is key ingredient for this. And this one also is 2 spoons. This one is chena powder, besan. This is just raw besan. You are not roasting it. It's just raw besan. And this one also is a key ingredient in this. This is half spoon mango powder, or even you call it amchur powder, and half spoon, this is coriander, roasted coriander seed powder. So I don't use all of this stuff every time. These are occasionally used. Even the coriander powder I use occasionally. So every ingredient we use should be used occasionally, not every day. That's the reason I don't use this every day. We need 3 spoons oil. I've taken 4 boiled potatoes. You can use any kind of potatoes. Russell potato is the best one because it has more starch content, and for our dosas, those are the best ones. But currently I'm not using that. Whatever was available in my kitchen, I'm using them. Let's start the recipe. So I've heated the pan. I'm just going to use 1, 2 and 3 spoons oil, not more than that. So my concept is to use less oil. And even to make less steps, I use all these ingredients at a time. Usually in Indian curries, they use mustards and cumin seed first because of the tempering. They like to have tempering. That's the reason. So I'm going to use at a time, and it doesn't make any difference, and even it doesn't smell whole house. At the same time, I'm going to use other 3 ingredients, but the besan I'm going to put it last. So I've added all the ingredients together and just mixing them well. Once you get nice aroma, then you can add potatoes. I've added potatoes. This I'm going to put it directly and just crush it, because these are boiled. It's not that hard to cut with your cooking spoon or spatula, whatever you use. It's very easy to cut with it. So I have mashed it well, and I'm going to add hot water. whatever consistency you need, you can add the water in it. Hot water will help to the cooking process to continue. If you are adding cold water, again the cooking process will be stopped and restart again. So it is always good idea to add hot water. So I'm going to take besan and just add the same water to this and just mix it well. So this again besan, this is with the skin, so it looks little dark or maybe black color. I will add some more hot water to this. And then mix this into the curry. At this point, then mix it well. That's it, it's done. Once it comes to boil, then I'll turn off. So I already added a little bit hot water to the besan, so it just gets slightly cooked. But when we put into the the gravy part of the potato, hot one, then it will be done very quickly. Once it bubbles like this, then you can turn off. It looks very tasty, yummy, and smells so well. So it is very important to keep mixing it, otherwise it will spill all over. And once it comes to boil, then turn off. Taste test. It's too hot. It tastes too good, nice, spicy, and even that has mango powder, so amchur powder, that gives sour taste to this, and the besan gives good consistency to that. Overall, it tastes very good. You try out this, guys. For full recipe, look into the description box below, and if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for new notification. See you with next recipe or next video. Until then, bye.